Hi, I'm Burt True with the law firm True & Associates. Today we're going to talk about common arguments that insurance adjusters make. Insurance adjusters are trying to save the insurance company money. They collect insurance premiums, but when it's time to pay claims, insurance companies don't want to do that. Insurance companies offer bonuses to adjusters based on how little they can get you to accept for your personal injury claim. That's why they hate it when you get a lawyer, because they know that a lawyer will make them pay what the claim is really worth. And their bonus is out the window. There are some arguments that insurance adjusters will always make because they're trained to make these arguments. The first one is the pre-existing condition. You've heard this 100 times. Insurance companies love to argue pre-existing conditions. This is why the insurance adjuster always wants you to sign medical authorization forms. They want to go through your medical records back to the day you were born. They're looking for anything that they can use against you. And have you noticed, when somebody's looking through thousands of pages of records for something, they almost always find what they're looking for, don't they? If you fell off the monkey bars when you were 9, the adjuster will say, pre-existing condition. If you took a couple days off work because your back hurt 2-3 years ago, pre-existing condition. This is wrong on several levels. The adjuster shouldn't be allowed to violate your privacy by going through your medical records back to the day you were born. And the law does not say that you cannot recover when you have a pre-existing condition. In fact, it says just the opposite. It says that you can recover for exacerbation of a pre-existing condition. What does exacerbation mean? That means that the wreck made your pre-existing condition worse. This happens all the time. The insurance adjuster puts you on trial, conveniently forgetting that their own insured was drunk, ran a stop sign. You know the story. Most of these pre-existing condition arguments are ridiculous. And your doctor is usually trying to help the insurance adjuster here too. I've seen doctors put in the medical records that although the patient was brought here by an air ambulance after being hit by a semi-trailer truck at high speed, I cannot be sure these injuries are related to the wreck, even though there's still blood coming out of them. I exaggerate, but the insurance adjuster will key in on anything the doctor says along this line. The next thing the insurance adjuster is trying to do is argue that your medical bills are too high. Well, I don't think they asked you how much you should be charged. Doctors may know how to practice medicine, but they don't know how to write a bill that you can understand. It seems like doctors hire cell phone companies to write their bills up. Here's Burt's rule. When something is too complicated for you to understand, you're getting screwed. Insurance adjusters will go through the bill and they'll say that you can't justify the cost. They'll say these medical expenses are not reasonable or that the treatment you received was not necessary. The medical bill has double charges on it. How many people laying on the operating room say, Doc, please make sure that your medical treatment of me is reasonable and necessary, okay? And the insurance adjuster will say that, well, here's another argument they'll make. Well, because you have health insurance or medical payments insurance or personal injury protection on your auto, you're not really out any money, so we don't have to pay. Wrong again. The collateral source rule provides that the person that injured you doesn't get to take advantage of the fact that you paid insurance premiums for health insurance coverage or you paid higher auto insurance premiums so that you would have medical expense coverage on your policy. The person who hurts you doesn't get to take advantage of that, and that's who the insurance company represents. Always remember, the insurance company works for the person that injured you. So what can you do about it? Do you just have to sit there and take it? No. Hire a lawyer that focuses on personal injury claims. My firm will add value by shooting down all these arguments, maximizing the amount that you recover for your injuries, and by reducing the amounts that you have to pay back to health insurance companies or to the government. I'm Burt True with the law firm True & Associates. If you have a suggestion for a topic, please post it in the comments below. If you're watching on my blog, you can subscribe to my blog by email. Just click the link below that says subscribe by email. You can also follow this blog using Google Friend Connect. This will keep you updated with new posts to the blog. If you'd like to discuss something in private, just click the Google Voice gadget below and you enter your telephone number and Google will connect us by telephone. If you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications of new videos. And you can click the links in this video to view my law firm's television commercial or other interesting videos on personal injury and wrongful death topics. You can follow me on Twitter at Burt True or on Google Plus at Burt True. You'll get notice when I post a new video. I'm Burt True with True & Associates.